pumpkin pie kind of smoothie. It's pumpkin pie inspired. So we're gonna do a couple of different things. Now when it comes to smoothies, you can really put whatever you want. So Cooking for One is actually a curriculum developed and facilitated by Michigan State University. So this was a collaborative idea, just one of the many curriculums that we offer classes with. The objectives for the Cooking for One program is to provide some knowledge and some hints, tips, and tricks for our community residents to feel empowered and make some better choices and take more control over their life. Within the program, we talk about budgeting, food groups, food safety, how to sustain your food habits and your food money. So it's a great program, and a lot of participants walk away happy with a lot of knowledge and a better outlook on life and how to eat healthy. The liquid that we use in there, we're gonna use some yogurt. So this is gonna be the dairy group. Okay, so we've got two food groups here.
Well, we already have lots of programs like our walking group, our fitness group, and we've had some, we have our newsletter that we send out. So our clients have been indicating that they are interested in new cooking skills, in budgeting, and so the MSU Extension course answered that need for us. My supervisor, Kelly, has been working with Jacqueline for years, and Kelly was excited to bring the cooking program to Corktown. She's used it at other places she's worked with clients and to great success. And so far it's been going great. We've had a few clients who have come back for every single session, and we do have clients who are already excited for our next series, which will be in the spring.
Taking this class was really beneficial because it taught me some easy go-to meals that I can make. It also taught me about counting carbohydrates, which is very important if you're a diabetic. And I was suffering from food fatigue, and this sort of forced me to try new things and try new recipes.
So in addition to Cooking for One, at Corktown Health, we also have our Wednesday Walkers, Monday Movers. Those are groups that meet weekly or monthly. We also have a tobacco cessation program. We have a blood pressure course that we collaborate with YMCA on. We also send out weekly recipes, and we have a monthly food box for our Keep It Moving cohort clients.